YouTube? It's your girl Purry. All service business, all success, service business simplified. It's Cyber Monday 2022 coming up. Course is $27. The bundle is $17. The journey journal is $17. And I guarantee you with these 6 actionable steps, it's not some shit you're going to buy and you're never going to do. I want you to complete this course and be successful. 6 steps, and you should be able to make $2,000, which is the original price of the course. This is something I know that you can do. I have marketed the course down to this for you guys. I've step by step with pictures. Like, you can't go wrong with pictures. $27, $17. Tap in. And I'm pretty much going to leave it there probably until the end of the month, guys. So from my family to yours, happy holidays. It's your girl Purry. Peace.